Hey guys, I got a 2022 Tesla Model 3. Gonna remove the front bumper. This works on a 17 through 23 and also Model Y. So first we're gonna remove these. They're all 10 millimeters. Okay, now you're gonna remove these clips right here. And then go to the other side and do the same. Okay, now we're gonna go underneath, and there's clips. Some of these are already removed, some aren't. So you're gonna remove them. Now there's a 10 millimeter back here. You're gonna have to lift this up a little bit. You can see it right there. So we're gonna remove that. There's actually two of them. So down here, there is a bolt that sticks up like this, but inside this, you're just gonna unscrew the 10 millimeter and remove that. It's on that side and then the other side, so it's sticking up like that. So you can just feel around back there and unscrew it. Okay, we got it all installed. Now we're gonna put it on. And make sure you put these sensors in.
Porque este sensor no quiere entrar.